Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is January 24th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest stories shaping the world of Tesla, technology, and innovation. As always, links to all the stories we discuss can be found in the episode notes. Let's get started. First up, Elon Musk is once again at the center of controversy following a speech at a presidential parade in Washington. During the event, Musk made a straight-arm gesture while thanking supporters of Donald Trump, which some have interpreted as a Nazi salute. The backlash has been swift, with critics accusing Musk of promoting a harmful symbol. Musk, however, dismissed these claims, urging people not to overanalyze his actions. The situation escalated further when, on January 22nd, an image of Musk performing the gesture was projected onto Tesla's Gigafactory in Berlin. The projection, accompanied by the phrase, "Heil Tesla," was orchestrated by activist groups led by donkeys and the Center for Political Beauty. Their goal was to spotlight political hypocrisy and social issues, and they also called for a boycott of Tesla. While the Anti-Defamation League suggested that Musk's gesture seemed more awkward than intentional, a communication professor highlighted the concerning reactions from extremist groups. This incident has reignited debates about Musk's influence, especially as he prepares to lead the newly formed Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE, under the Trump administration. It's a story that's sure to keep evolving, and we'll be watching closely. Switching gears, Tesla has recently closed a loophole that allowed Kia EV owners to charge their vehicles at Tesla Superchargers. Originally, Kia was set to roll out Supercharger access for its vehicles on January 15th, but this has now been delayed until later in the quarter. Some Kia owners had found a workaround by tricking the Supercharger system into recognizing their cars as Hyundais, thanks to the shared eGMP platform between the two brands. However, Tesla has now patched this loophole, and attempts to use it result in an error message. Kia is working on releasing its own authorized adapter for Supercharger access, which is expected by late Q1 2025. The company has also cautioned against using third-party adapters, warning that doing so could void warranties. This isn't the first time we've seen such delays. Nissan drivers faced similar issues when their access was initially announced. Despite these hiccups, once Kia EVs officially gain access, they're expected to perform well on the Supercharger network. The Hyundai Ioniq 5, for example, has already demonstrated faster charging speeds than some Tesla models. Meanwhile, other automakers like VW and Honda are also preparing to join the North American charging standard, signaling a broader shift in the EV charging landscape. That wraps up today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered. We'll be back tomorrow with more updates on Tesla, technology, and the future of mobility. Stay curious, and see you next time.